Today we're showing how to mount this garage door controller. This is a relatively simple job and we do need to put two screws into this stucco wall. So I'll mark the hole with a hole punch and with a concrete bit and a hammer drill I'll make a hole for an anchor. You put the appropriate size anchor in the hole and put the screw in and then verify that the anchor doesn't pull out. Now I'm going to hang the garage door opener on the first screw. And I'm going to locate the hole for the second screw. Following the same process as with the first anchor, I'm going to make a hole and then install a second anchor. I accidentally had the drill set to regular drill, and it's much easier to drill into concrete using the hammer drill, so I switched that over. It happens real fast here, but you'll see me put my finger on the bit, and that what I'm doing is I'm verifying the depth of the hole to make sure that the anchor will fit in and not bottom out in the hole when I hammer it in. So now I'll play with the depth of the top screw, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to snug it up so that when I put the garage door opener on it, it doesn't have any flex or movement against the wall and it sits nice and flush and snug. Once I'm happy with that, we line up the garage door opener and we put in the bottom screw and snug that to tight. Then we put the battery back in and the cover on, and we make sure that we're happy with the installation and that the unit's affixed to the wall properly.